All right, so let's look at some examples so that you can kind of practice this and get it straight in your little beautiful brains, okay? All right, so we're multiplying this number, which has how many decimal places? 2, right? The 8 and the 5. How many decimal places does this one have? Let's put a 2 here. 0. 0 decimal places. So how many altogether? 2 plus 0. 2. 2 altogether. So your answer has to have 2. Okay, let's look at this one over here. This one's a little more complicated. How many decimal places do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 4. So this is the traditional algorithm. Some of you guys multiply this way, which is fine. And how many decimal places will my answer have to be? So there's 2 here plus 2 here. That should be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. All right, let's do another one. How about this bad boy right here? 1, 2. This one has 2. 1. This one has 1. What's 2 plus 1? 3. So where will the decimal go? 1, 2, 3. It will go right there. Okay, how about this one? How many decimal places here? 1, 2, 2. How many here? 1, 1. How much does that add up to? 2 plus 1 is 3. So this one should have 1, 2, 3. The decimal will go right here. Okay, let's try another one. 2 decimal places here, 1, 2. 1 decimal place here, 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this has to have 1, 2, 3, and the decimal goes here. What about this one? How many decimal places? 2. 1, 2. So my answer has to have 1, 2. All right, how about this bad boy? How many decimal places? I'll give you a hint. 1, 2. So and my answer is this. So how many decimal places? 2. 1, 2. And it's in front of the second one. So my answer would be like this. Okay, we're going to do one more practice. Okay, last one. That's not creepy at all. Okay, so where will the decimals go? We already have our answers written. Where will the decimals go? Okay, let's take a look at this first one. We're going to call this numero uno. What do you think? Here? No, because there's only one, and this one doesn't have any, so you only need one decimal number. What about this one? You have 1, 2, so you need 1, 2, so the decimal will go between the 1 and the 8. I don't know why I put that up so high. All right, how about this one? What 2 numbers will the decimal go between? We have 9, that's 1 decimal number, and the 7, that's 2 decimal numbers. So you need 1, 2, so the decimal will go between the 2 7s. All right, I think you got this. You guys are awesome. So now you get to practice a little just with decimals and multiplying. Have a great day.